and in this segment we'll talk about working with the symbols in Reiki 2. The symbols themselves are objects to focus upon when a practitioner is demonstrating Reiki or applying Reiki to themselves or the space in which they live. Mikao Usui, when he had his enlightenment experience on Mount Kuriyama, saw these symbols, and they represented the code in which Reiki works. There are 3 symbols in a traditional level 2 class. There's the power symbol, the emotional healing symbol, and the one that allows energy to transcend time, space, and distance. All of these are used as both mantras, which are sound syllables for focus, and yantras, visual meditative focus when an individual is practicing Reiki. In this next section, we'll talk about sample application.